China is about to stage one of the most high-stakes military parades in recent memory, rolling out brand new, high-tech weaponry in Beijing on September 3 to mark the 80th anniversary of World War II's end. It's being billed as both a showcase of modern strength and a strategic message to the world. Over 10,000 troops, more than 100 aircraft, and hundreds of ground vehicles will march through Tiananmen Square in China's most significant military display since 2019. But the real headline is the debut of cutting-edge weaponry across multiple domains, from hypersonic missiles to AI-driven precision weapons. Among the new systems stepping into the spotlight are the YJ series anti-ship missiles, from YJ-15 to YJ-20, built for stealth and designed to challenge U.S. naval dominance in the Pacific. DF-41 AG and DF-41 mobile ICBMs, JL-3 submarine-launched missiles, the combat-ready FH-97 stealth drone, and directed energy weapons are also being publicly revealed for the first time. On the geopolitical stage, this parade goes deeper than hardware. Leaders like Vladimir Putin, Kim Jong-un, and Iran's president are attending, while heads of state from the US, Japan, India, and South Korea are notably absent, highlighting growing alignment with anti-Western powers. The scale is staggering. Over $5 billion spent on what's been dubbed China's largest parade ever, tightly choreographed, heavily controlled, in a bid to broadcast national pride and rising international influence. But there's more. Behind the flash is an intense internal purge. Nearly 24 senior military and defense industry officials have been removed in a sweeping effort led by Xi Jinping. The goal? Rooting out corruption, enforcing loyalty, and accelerating military modernization, especially amid concerns over readiness in any potential Taiwan operation by 2027. This isn't just symbolism, it's a calculated move. By blending high-profile technology reveals with a narrative of disciplined leadership and regional alliances, China is asserting its place in a growing multipolar world and challenging the long-standing US-led order.